Producers, what's up? It's A&G here, and we're back with 7, 8, 9, 10 for a brand new producer pack.
But this time we're going to need you and your talent to make it work.
We have created a pack with 40 samples to get your creative juices flowing. Not those kind of samples, bro. These kind of samples.
You can get this pack on 78910's page for $7.89.
We want you to create an original track using this mini pack. There are no restrictions whatsoever, so we want you to go as crazy as you want.
Once you're done, submit your demo in the link in the description and sit tight. We got you covered.
We're gonna go through all of your submissions on September 28th.
You don't need any votes or your mom to share it on Facebook a million times.
All you need is just one crazy idea.
Once we pick a lucky winner, we will finish this track as a collaboration, release a full-on tutorial and an additional sample pack.
Why are you still here? Click on the link below, get the pack, and get started today.